Hi everybody, thank you for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, leave some comments, share these videos. So today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the fan filter on your Ri4000. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the printer. Now you have a total of 4 fan filters. There's 2 on the back, 2 on the front. Today we're going to show you guys the front ones. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pop this filter out. There's a little bracket underneath the fan. We get the filter, pop that one out, pop a new one in. We set that filter back in there. Now the reason you're doing this is because you got a prompt on your screen that says filters and the lifetime, you got to replace them. So that's how you do that. Once it's replaced, we're going to go to our control panel and we're going to tell the unit that we replaced that. So we're going to go to our parts menu, which is right here. Now you'll see these go from green to orange to red. Red means that they reached their lifetime count and it's time to replace them. Sometimes you can reset them and keep going, but keep in mind that you have reset that, so that part might go faulty later on. Okay guys, so today we did a fan filter. We're gonna select that one. It's gonna ask us here that you replace it. We're gonna hit yes and yes, and that's gonna reset that filter. It's gonna bring it back down to 0%. Now just to show you guys how that works, I'm gonna do my left ink sum. As you can see there, I got 5%. I'm gonna say that I replaced it. It's gonna ask me if I'm sure I want to run this. Yes. If I go back to it, now it's back to 0. Okay guys, thank you for joining us today guys. Please again, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us some comments. I am gonna leave a link and a part number to the fan filters so you guys can order those from the Ricoh website. Alright guys, thank you for joining us and we'll see you next time.